All right, guys, what we have here is we got some headstones. We got 5 headstones. These are considered second military headstones. In other words, they're not worthy to put on a veteran's grave. So these things weigh about 200 pounds, and I had a couple of friends of mine help me load them up and everything. And big thanks to Sean at Spook Trail that donated them to me. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to clean them up, and we're going to pick out the best ones that we have, and that's not all chipped up real bad and dinged and danged real bad. And what we're going to do is we're going to donate them to a veteran cemetery of some sort that doesn't have a headstone. And what I'm going to do is, when that happens, I hate that it happens, but when that happens, we'll also try to get it inscribed with his name and his military service and stuff. And just having those things inscribed on marble is about 500 bucks. So what I did, guys, I started a Patreon account, and that helps me generate a little bit of funds to do different stuff like this. And not only does it go towards something like this, and I just hate to say, you know, that we will use this, but I hate, you know, that we even have to use that for anybody. But the Patreon account, what we're going to do with that, guys, we're going to take those funds about every quarter, and we're going to donate that to a veteran center. So check out my Patreon. I'll put a link in the description, and we appreciate your support on that. And that'll help us do a little bit of everything. That'll help go towards, you know, a headstone or two, get those engraved, and we can get a couple guys to go out and set the stone ourselves, and various other things that these guys need. They need clothes and socks and shoes and pants and shirts and stuff like that. Just basic everyday life needs. Anyway, I'm going to try to flip these over and spray the other side. And this is a good time. I'll show you what the other side looks like. They've cleaned up pretty good. And this would be a good time to say, hey man, we appreciate you guys' support. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. It don't cost you a dime. So let's flip these over and wash the other side up, and I'll show you how dirty they are and how clean they come. Alright guys, we're going to show you how they cleaned up pretty good. I've got about 2 of them right here that's usable, that's worthy as with a headstone. I also have 2 in storage, so I got about 4 total, and the rest I'll just use in hot somewhere. So let me show you how these cleaned up. As you can see, this one here, it's got a natural crack line in it, so this one wouldn't be worthy. So we wouldn't want to use that one. This one here is all beat up on the side and chewed up, so this one will be left out. This one here is almost in perfect condition. Almost in perfect condition. It does have a couple little nicks in it, but I think put that towards the back, use the other side for the front would be fine. And this one here isn't worthy either. This is all nicked up. It's got a big old chunk out the bottom of it there. So this one here is in real good shape. So this is number 2, and we could use that one. So there's the Headstone, guys. Like I said, we got about two good ones out of the 5 that we can use. I also have 2 in storage that we can use for headstones. So all I gotta do is have them engraved. The last I checked, it was $500 to have them engraved. But if I tell them what it was for, they might give me a discount or maybe do it for free. Never know. Never know till you ask. Anyway, guys, this is going to conclude the end of this video. We appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers that come on board, and really enjoy the comments and stuff you guys put in the bottom down there. And we'll bring you some more content, but I wanted to show you this. I want to give you an update on our Patreon, and as it says on my Patreon account, we the people, because it's we the people that makes a difference in these guys' life. So that's written in our Constitution for a reason. Anyway, guys, we appreciate each and every one of you watching. Don't forget to go and check out Keith, the Cobweb and the Candlesticks. He's back, and go check out his video on his new shop that he's built, and man, he's got it decked out to the nines. And check out David at the Weird Kid Show. I think he's on vacation this week. Him and his wife and kids went to Florida, or further south of Florida, and they're on vacation, so he'll be back soon. Go check out his videos and his channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And you might notice some new updates to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get that thing in order. It is just a mess, and I'm learning as I go, so I'm putting stuff up, taking it down, putting stuff up, taking it down to make it look halfway decent. So stay tuned for that. If you see it coming in and out, that's because I'm messing with it and I'm trying to make it look decent, so it's a little bit more pleasing to the eye. It's not so scattered and half cut off and half this and half that, so I'm trying to make it a little better for you guys. So there you go, guys, that's the end of the video, and we just want to wish you guys a happy Memorial Day, and you guys be safe out there. And don't forget what Memorial Day is for. It's not for the living veterans, it's for the ones that's paid the ultimate price. So anyway, guys, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video. And as always, guys, it don't have to be perfect, just build it and keep it creepy. All right, guys, we stand back here by the Old Glory, and there's a reason why I have 3 flags in my yard. Also, my wife is a 5-year Army combat vet, so you know, military is near and dear to us, and plus we help homeless veterans. So guys, check out my Patreon. All the monies from that goes to helping homeless veterans. Reach out to your local veteran center or wherever it is, wherever you're at, and pay them a visit, show them some love, donate some funds. They could sure use it.